This is a quick walkthrough of how to add targets and use them in Metashape. So after creating your project, going through the align photos, build dense cloud, build mesh, build texture, as you can see here with the point cloud, the dense point cloud, the text solid model itself, and then the full resolution texture, you can go about to the Tools menu and go to Markers. Choose Detect Markers. It'll give you options. In this particular case, we're using a circular 12-bit marker, and hit OK. This will run for about a minute and a half. I'll just close it here to show you that speed it up. And then you'll be able to have the Markers tab here available. Now it should find all of the markers that are visible. As you can see here, it puts it in pretty close order, very much on the center of the target itself. So anywhere where a marker is visible within the model will be detected and put into the space. But at this point, as you can see in the photographs, even if the marker is not visible in the photograph, it can triangulate where that would be. You can see how accurate it is. It really puts it straight in the center. So these go through and automatically call them targets 1 through however many have been put into the model or into the actual context. Then you go to your reference section and go to your text file. In this case, you have a CSV, comma separated, with the information from the total station, with the northing, easting, and altitude put in the right order, and labeled exactly the same way as the Metashape itself, with a lowercase t target, space, and the target number. You have to be sure that it's in NAD 83 UTM zone 16N and EPSG 26916. And then you just essentially be able to hit this refresh button and it'll put into position. I've already done this here, and it'll show you the locations of each of those targets. What it'll also give you is the accuracy, the error, the number of projections, places where it's actually seen, and the overall error in pixels. You can see here it's very, very low. This is a very high resolution image, obviously, can be downsampled as necessary. But within this, you can use the scale button, that's in the top row, a little ruler, and be able to click between locations and give you distances within a centimeter. For this particular case, it's more than enough, but in general, you probably want to double check with the actual excavation. As you can see, as I'm clicking on these spots, not only gives me the distances, but it also gives me the position, the actual position of the model itself. So if I escape and make a measurement, it'll add it up, hit escape, and then that number that it's showing right there is actually the position in UTM. So if I click on any location, that number there is its position in east-west, X and Y, and the elevation based upon the surface of the model. It does snap to the surface of the model itself. Okay.